All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Today, I'm here especially on behalf of eExpert English Language Center. My name is Naim Hussain, and I have been teaching English for the last 10 years, actually. And Alhamdulillah, I have got a lot of experiences, and today I'm going to get a new experience from Natore Rajbari, which is one of the most beautiful places in the country that I have to say, because it's very well organized, it's beautiful. It's basically the way it is designed. It is actually not artificial designation. Actually, it is designed automatically.
Yeah.
So what I have known about this, I mean, tourist class, I do not have many idea about this, but maybe two or three things I can mention here. Number one is maybe this is the house of king and queen of Natur. I don't know what are their names, but maybe. And they live in this area. It's a very big house. There are a lot, I mean, few rivers, gardens, and some other places, and also maybe zoo is also available here. So this beautiful scenario and design basically talks about that how luxurious life they lead at once. Because nowadays we do not believe ourselves that we think about ourselves that we are the most updated generation in the world, which is wrong actually. Because 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, even 100 years ago, people were leading so luxurious life. They had many things actually. You know, the pyramid is invented maybe 200 years or 300 years ago. I'm not sure exactly, but it designed at the time. At that very time, actually, there was no technology. No such engineers were available at the time. But those are the things that was designed actually at the time. So on behalf of Natore Rajbari and eExpert English Language Center, I'd like to request all of the students, all the people of Bangladesh, please do come Natore Rajbari for having a very interesting time with the members of your family, because it's a very family tourist place actually. It's not a kind of very public tourist place. Anybody can enjoy this place. I mean, ponds, masjid, gardens, zoo, and playgrounds. Everything is available. So if you want to shoot a drama or movie, some part of the movie, definitely you can shoot it over here. So that's all for today. And on behalf of Natore Rajbari, eExpert English Language Center, and all the people of Natore, we welcome all of you to visit Natore again for having a very great time with all of us. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Goodbye.